Hey everybody, this is Larry. I'm doing this problem as part of a contest, so you're gonna watch me live as I go through my dots as I'm coding. There'll be an explanation near the end, and for more context, there'll be a link below on the actual screencast of the contest. How did you do? Let me know how you do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and here we go. Q2, rearrange words in a sentence. So this one I also knew how to do immediately. Um, there's some like trickiness around like making sure you capitalize the first word and lowercase it and stuff like this. But uh, but in general, I was just like, okay, so it's a sorting problem. Um, sort by the length and then sort by the index that it appears on. So that's pretty much it, minus the little fanciness around capitalizing the right word. Um, yeah, that's pretty much what I do here. I keep track of the index as well by using enumerate. And then as the sorting key, I, yeah, well, that's kind of wrong, but I fix it. Don't worry. I use index and then the length of the string. I was like, yeah, okay. I was going to use something like sort by a lambda function, but I was like, okay, I don't want to spend time thinking about it. So let's do that. And then I spend a little bit more time than I would like looking back on this part, but I think I needed to all I needed was converted to a list. I knew this was wrong per se, but I just wanted to see that it was returning the same thing. But then I actually made an even sillier mistake on the syntax. Um, I yeah, that's what happens when you don't get enough sleep. That's my sign. I'm sticking to it, but I still did this problem in under 3 minutes. So, um, and I was like, wait, maybe I have to convert it to list. Maybe that's why. Okay, now I was like, okay, that's good, but it's not the answer. Because, well, we want it back to Word. And then now it's like, okay, I have to convert the first word back, capitalize the first letter of the first word. So that's what I do here. There may be easier ways to do it, but that's how I did it, obviously, because that's why you're watching it. And then now I just join it by that amount. And that's pretty much it for Q2, I believe. Q2, rearrange words in a sentence. Yeah, for this one, it's just sorting. It's sorting by the length of the string, and then if there's a tiebreaker, you sort it by which word appears earlier. So that's what I did. I sort uh, by by the length and then the index of the word. And then I just did some math to or magic to make sure that the first character is capitalized and also lowering the word incoming word. But overall, pretty straightforward once you get that sorting done. I mean, it tells you how to rearrange them, so should be straightforward in terms of understanding. And my code is pretty straightforward as a result. Cool, that's Q2.